the first video under the name of Chelmswood Junction. Got a parcel arrived from Scale Model Scenery. Keep watching the video, see what came through the post. Hi guys, welcome to another video from Chelmswood Junction. Actually, this is the first video from Chelmswood Junction. So today I had a parcel arrive through the post from Scale Model Scenery. It's come in a nice little box, was delivered by DHL. Was delayed by DHL for a day or two, but it's now arrived. Let's open her up and let's have a look, see what has come through, or should I say what I've ordered. Now, first item that I've ordered is the Scale Model Scenery precast concrete fence posts. Get a pack of 24, and I will admit they look very, very realistic, and they'll be very easy to put up fencing with these, because obviously you can just space them into the right spaces and then make your fencing up and then just slot them in like you would in the real day world. So that's that one. Next one I've got is the industrial walkways, elbows and T-junctions, which will come in handy for my station area, because I've obviously got a lot of relay boxes, a lot of points in the area, so I need relay boxes, signals for them, relay boxes for them, gantries for the signalling, so need some of these to help the staff get around. So that's it. Also, for walking around and over the tracks, I've got the modern trackside walkway grating. Next one is the industrial walkways with railings. Comes in a pack of 2. I'll come back to this one in a second. Next one I got was another set of the equipment cabinet platforms. These are, oh, and then he goes, he drops them. These are so nice to put together. You can either have them sitting on the ground, or you can have them on the legs with the steps they're provided. But I just put them on the ground. Comes in a pack of 2. Brilliant little kit to put together of an evening. Also bought some more catch pits for, again, the station area, to finish off that little bit of detailing. For the station platforms, and possibly the front entrance, I've bought the planters and troughs. You get a pack of 8, and you get the small large ones, and you get 4 of the small ones as well. So that's going to be quite a fiddly little kit, I reckon, to put together, but it's all part of the fun of the railways. Also bought another pack of the Scale Model Scenery speed signs, which are absolutely brilliant, I would admit. The only thing that I will say about these, they do need to put more of them, because as you can see, you only get 2 of each on the large ones, and again 2 of each on the smaller ones. The signs down there are absolutely brilliant. They work really well. And all the arrows and all the whistle signs, they're really, really good. And last but not least, obviously, you see with I had the fence posts. You can't have fence posts without the fencing. Now, this fencing and the fence posts are going to be for the pub, which is situated above the railway, right at the end of the layout, in the corner of the L section. So they come in that kind of colour, and obviously what you do is, you put 2 together, and then obviously you can paint them to how you want them. Quick question, guys, what paint would you use for these? If anybody knows, give us a shout and let me know what kind of paint. Would it be acrylic, enamel would be best? Which one? Okay guys, that's that one. Coming back to the industrial walkways with railings, after looking at the size of them, Now, I have emailed Scale Model Scenery because they've done a large ladder with safety cage around it. I did ask them if they were thinking of or are in the process of designing like a signal gantry system. But after looking at this, I reckon these could be made into a signal gantry. All we got to do is find some way of making the upright posts and a way of obviously trunking the wiring along the walkway. So that's what came through the post today, guys, from Scale Model Scenery. If you have any questions, please ask. And as always, if you want to subscribe, please feel free to subscribe. Hit the like button. Please share if you want to. And if you'd like to comment, please do. Until the next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye for now.